Oh, good news! The sills are here. Oh yeah. Just done my final cut on this side. Just got to put the sill in, line it all up, and do them little pieces. But the sills are here, and I get them open and get them ready. The eagle has landed. Ooh-wee. Nicey, 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 nice. So we'll be able to crack on now. Start cutting it. Look at him. Look at him. He's put a bung in his wiper and he's so happy. Bless his cotton socceroonies. I've cut the sill because I'm going to repair that bit. But this is where I'm going to replace it from. You can see. Needs a bit of fettling. But it's getting somewhere. Very, very happy. Sills aren't bad quality at all. Yeah. This is the other side. And there's the spares. No point replacing the lot because I don't need the lot. This will be the same. This is my new score mark where I'm going to cut. Cut, cut, chop, 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 ready, ready, ready. The Wu-Tang. Everyone's getting stressed with me. I've got to go home, I'm sorry. But I've cut all the rotted area out now. This is actually sound. I just need to clean it up a bit. This side is done. Ready to go. This side also, same. Final cut's done. I cut all this. This is sweet. So I'm probably going to cut somewhere about here and replace all this bottom section. This is just all clean back bare metal. It's been good. Parts that have come from far, far away are good, worth the wait. I'll just need to get the balls and start welding now, I suppose. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What a day! Been busy, man, I tell you. So, handbrake's on. Though I've just been to Tyre City, got us 10 tyres, as you can see. The trusty Tyre Park, doing us good as always. Happy days, brilliant car, lovely jubbly. Cheers for coming. Then I've been to Spraywell, they're finally open. So I've managed to get a litre of purple cherry black, I think it was called, and that's for Chris's bumper. And I've got some 326 white for Liam's GTR. Busy here. So now I'm going to go and see Cecil at our Rainbow Polishers. I'm going to drop Grant's faces off because we need them stripping and polishing. Paint, tyres, Grant's wheels. I might go and see Cuss and pop in for a nice little hot chocolate with marshmallows and cream, you know what I'm saying, because they look after me. Or I might just go straight down the unit, holler at your boy, and then go and chill down there and crack on with the Civic. Someone's watching me talk to you now. Mega weird. So, here we are, the Rainbow Polishers. We're going to get Grant's wheels done. Hopefully. Because they're chrome, they need stripping. So the plan is to drop these to our mate Cecil, the fossil, and get them polished. That looks like a nice new unit. Nice new unit. As you can see, the car is full to the top of shite. But I'm going to get these wheels in and see if they'll do it. Oh, great success. He's accepted the challenge. He said he's going to get them chemically stripped, which I know he's not, because you can't get chrome stripped in the UK. He's going to grind them all down and get them polished for Grant, and hopefully they'll look amazing. We'll no doubt see them on the channel in the next couple of weeks, because he doesn't rush. He doesn't rush for anyone. But our Cecil, he's a top bloke. He's probably been doing stuff 15 years for me at least. Nice little garage hidden in the middle of nowhere. Does the job, makes shiny boys. I'm going to crack on now. I'm going to go get my ass down the unit. You know when something's just too good to be true? on my car, man. Boy. See ya? The paint fell out the passenger door onto the floor when I pulled to the unit. It was too good to not actually put into video. So at least we got a nice purple floor now outside the unit. What a fucking failure. Good job we got some thinners. Managed to get it off my car. And that's gonna do for the floor. Sorry, Chris. Beautiful colour though. That's my mate laughing at me dropping the paint on the floor. Luckily, we have a bit of thinners to tidy up. So we have standard thinners, we have clear coat, we have activator, we have beautiful Nissan 326 white for Liam's GTR, and we have a base coat pattern for our mate Chris, which I happen to throw some of it on the floor. Ha ha ha! Dickhead. See, even Grant knows what's happened. What an idiot. Toys are here. Great success. Great success. I got the clutch slave cylinder for the Civic Uno. And I think now I'm going to give up today and do some more driving around and get the turbos from Liam at Midland Turbos. Sleepy's on his way, so he'll be in the next 15 minutes or so. But I think I'm going to go and find a corner to cry in for a bit. Come on, it can't just be me. We've all got to have done it. All of us. Probably just me. I can't believe he fell out of the car. Open the door. On the floor, pop the lid off. Imbi, paint. At least it looked a nice colour. I can't believe it. Luckily there's enough to still get Chris's bumper done. What an idiot! God damn! But yeah, we're going to wait for Sleepy and then I'm going to go to Midland Turbos. See you soon. The turbos are back. Look at this. Nice little T28 for the S15 and a nice little T25 for the Civic Uno. Liam has done us a lovely job. All new gaskets. 2-year warranty. Can't complain at that. The place still stinks like paint after my antics earlier. Sleepy's filling his gob. Grant's driving his car down. Oh no, that's his... Oh. We're going to open them now. Say hello, Grant. No, you got to say hello, Grant. Spoil sport. But yeah. And also, the other turbos are back. This is one for a hybrid SR20, up to 450 horsepower. Got two of those. I've got one for an RB25, and I've got two Evo ones as well. 1, 2, and 3.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Bin. Barbecue bin. I'm going to take some rubbish out now. See you in a bit. Sorry, bye. Bye. Sorry, bye. Not sorry, really. That's going to be it for today. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. Cheers for coming again. See you soon. In bit.